I never expected post-COVID travel such a safe. Limo cabs told me that before your travel, we have done the sanitization part and we have disinfected the car, and all our drivers have taken proper guidelines. When I board the car, I was quite surprised. There is a windshield which is really, from the front and the back view, there is a lot of distance it is maintained, and I'm feeling very safe while traveling. So I think this is the first concept I think Limo is introduced, and I'm feeling very safe, and Limo has done exceptionally good job for the travelers.
I usually prefer limo cabs for my travel purposes. So I was a bit worried about post-COVID situations. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗು, ಈ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನು, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಾರ್, ರಿಯಲಿ ಐ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್. So not only talking about the sanitization, they do the sanitization as well as they covered this portion with a windshield. So this really solved the purpose of safety, and really it's a good initiative.